Hello guys, it's Kenetich once again, Kenechukwu by name. So today I have decided to teach chemistry once again, but this time around I'm going to be teaching symbols of elements. Um, as easy as it is, this is still, or let me say, as basic as it is, this is still a problem to many students, including YS students. They can't actually identify some of these elements, right, by symbol. If you are in that class category, don't feel ashamed. We learn every day. Just learn with me. Okay? So, I'm going to be teaching different ways in which elements are being symbols of elements are being represented. The symbols of elements are being written, or should I say, elements are being represented. So, the first one, which is the most common, is the uppercase. The uppercase of the first letter of that element. Okay? Let me write it down. The upper case of the first letter of that element. So what do I mean by that? For example, the first element in the periodic table is what? Helium, right? Sorry, is hydrogen. Sorry. So we have hydrogen. Hydrogen is represented by what? Capital letter H. Capital letter H is the uppercase of the first letter. If you see the first letter of the element hydrogen, I believe you understand that now. So that is one. This one. Two. We can say boron. Boron is represented by what? Capital letter B. Capital letter B. The next one can say carbon. Carbon is represented with what? Capital letter C. Right? Now, I can also say let's say 4, fluorine. Capital letter F. Alright? So the second way in which elements are being represented, in symbol. The second way in which symbol of elements are being written is what? Let me use IV here, Roman numerals, so that we do not mistake it. Okay? So, the second way again is by using the uppercase of the first letter of that element with another letter, but lowercase in this case. So, I will write that again so that you understand. The uppercase of the first letter of that element with a lower case with of that element. Now what it simply means is that we can have, okay, let me give you an example. We have beryllium. Beryllium is written as Be. That is capital letter B and small letter E. Hope you understand it now. So the next one we can say magnesium. Magnesium is written as capital letter M and small letter G. You can see it's not capital letter M and small letter A, but rather it is capital letter M and small letter G. So the lowercase is not necessarily the next letter after this capital after the first letter, right? It can be in the middle. Okay. I can also give another one again. Chromium will come with what? CR, capital letter R, capital letter C, and small letter R. Now, another way again it can be written again is, I think I have to clean these other ones. I have to clean these ones. The third one will be what? From the Latin name, right? From the Latin name. For example, I'm going to list about 5 of them. Sodium. Sodium has, the Latin name is what? Okay, let me give elements. Latin name, symbol. Okay, sodium is natrium. Okay, so have what? Capital letter N and small letter A. Right? We have iron. We have it as what? Ferrum. Capital letter F and small letter E. We have silver as what? Argentum. And it comes with what? Capital letter A and small letter R. Okay? We have lead. And it's called plumbium. And we have that capital letter B, P, and small letter B. We have tin. And tin is what? Stannum. And we represent as what? Capital letter S and small letter N. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I've given the 5 I promised. So let me think of another one again. So we have gold. Gold is aurum. Is the aurum or aurum? And is represented as what? AU. Okay? We also have mercury. Mercury. Mercury is hydrogerium. And is represented as what? Hg. Okay? I think I've been able to explain them, symbols of elements in the best possible way you understand. Alright guys, I would like you to help me subscribe, also comment. Bye!